Hey guys, Cammo here. I'm just going to do a quick review on the Ghillie-Kettle. This is the 0.5 of a litre or 500ml Ghillie-Kettle. I'm going to show you the easiest way that I know of starting it. So here's your small twigs that you're going to use. I find the easiest way is to scrunch up some paper and put the kettle on top of the paper. Make sure you've got your water in there. I've got 500ml. And you literally just feed the sticks down the tube. Like so, making sure that you've got some nice fine twigs in there so that they start easily enough, otherwise you'll have your Ghillie-Kettle smoking and not producing any heat as such. Don't stack it up too much, otherwise you'll smother the fire as such. Just enough to make sure that once that paper inside gets going, that it will get the twigs going as well. Alright. And it's as simple as just lighting it. So I'm just going to put you down here. You quite easily cook on this. Once it gets going, it's got a fairly reasonable sort of flame coming out the top, so I'm sure you can get adapters for them. So you just light the bottom here, guys. There's two little ports down the bottom, which obviously allow you to light and obviously for oxygen for the fire. I won't stop this so that you actually get an idea of how long it takes for it to boil. The good thing about the Ghillie-Kettles over, say, the Ghillie-Kettle, I believe, is that it's got a little whistle here. So you can obviously get it going, then continue doing other things around the campsite or wherever you are, be it a survival situation, etc. And know that you'll be warned when the water is boiled. Use this a couple of times. It's a pretty sort of fail-safe way of starting a fire. Like I said, paper in the bottom, a few light twigs. You can easily restoke the fire by just dropping wood in the top, like so. Incredibly easy. Takes about 1 to 2 minutes once the fire is going to boil the water. Oops, fell over there, sorry about that. Just take it to the top here so you can have a bit of a look. You can see the fire's roasting there. You quite easily, I know there's adapters you can get, and you could probably cook something on a fry pan there with ease, I'd imagine. You can already start to hear that water. Chuck a few more sticks on the top. I don't think that water's too far off of boiling, to tell you the honest truth. And that's taken literally, a handful of twigs, if that. Something that I've just found around the garden. It's amazing how much energy we actually have around us. Any time now, I would imagine we're going to start hearing that whistle. There you go. Take the whistle off and have a look in there. And it's literally boiling its guts away at the moment. And the fire is still going. So there you have it, guys. And obviously to pour the cup of tea, it's going to be a little bit hard when I'm holding the camera, but you hold it here, you use the chain from where the whistle and the cap is, and you basically pour it. Great kettle, guys. Considering that you can boil water within minutes with just what you can find on the ground. Ingenious, but such a simple design. Ghillie-Kettle, guys, get onto it. Cheers. Cammo out.